Greetings to everybody out there. We thank God for everything. We thank God for our lives, that today we are alive. You know, especially greetings to my mom and shout out to my siblings and my friends in Ghana. First of all, I want to say something about South African issue, but I will first of all talk something about these our politicians. You know, if you are there and you are not doing nothing, you know, I am saying every day in my videos that you people have to build your economy well. Build your economy well so that our people will not go out there and face difficulties and face humiliating and face rubbish and face nonsense. You understand me? See us now. See where we are. See where we are. Every day we'll be going to another people country, and those people, they are doing like we don't have country, and that is not good. We have very nice country in Africa. Ghana, Nigeria, we have it all. Why are we like that? Why are we running to another people country? And those people, they will be doing us stupidness. They will put shame on our faces. We have countries. If you go to Ghana, very nice country. If you go to Nigeria, very nice country. But we, every day, we are those people who face the humiliation every day in people's country. Why? Why? I don't understand why. I told you in my videos every day, these are our politicians, that you people should build our economy well. You have to build this our economy very, very, very well. Why? Because our people are traveling too much. Our people are traveling too much. Why? Because there are too much poverty in our places. Too much poverty in our places. That is why our people are traveling every blessed day to get survival, to get future. Why those people don't come to our countries and hustle like us and hustle like we are going to their places? Why? Because our places are not good. Our places are not well organized. Our economy is not well balanced. That is why they can't come to our country and hustle like we are going to their places and hustle. So my people, these South Africans, they are doing too much. You understand me? They are doing too much. Now is a limit. Is limit. You understand me? Because I'm too nervous for this video. Too nervous. You understand? Ordinary South Africa, they don't know that we are the people behind their success today. their happiness today, we are the people that we fought for them. They don't know. We fought for them before their independence. Today, they are pursuing us. They said we are collecting their works and their women. You understand me? We are collecting everything in their country. And you people, I know that you people don't want to work. You South Africans, you don't want to work. You don't want to work, South Africans. You don't like to work. People are coming there to build, in fact, build your economy again. Build future for themselves. They can't stay like you people. They want to work. Somebody want to work. So give the person chance. We are Africans. We are Africans. If we said nobody should go another man's country, it won't be easy for anybody. If you say South African, you can't go to another person country. Like you can't go to Ghana, you can't go to Nigeria, you can't go to Cote d'Ivoire, you can't go to Burkina, you can't. It's not easy. You can't stay inside your country, your own country. You can't stay there. You have to travel. At times, if you get too much money, you have to travel and see other countries, or you have some business to share with people. You have to go their places and talk with them. You understand? If somebody come to your country, the person is not your enemy. Ghana man or Ghana sister is not your enemy. Nigerian people are not your enemy. Ghana people are not your enemies. They are your brothers because they are Africans. If we start killing ourselves like this, nobody can go another man's country. Nobody can go another man's country. This is big problem. This is big problem. And you South Africans, you know where you're from, where you come from. Your enemies are those people who are with you in your own home, and they are claiming that they are South Africans. Those people are your enemies, not we. Not we, your brothers and sisters, that we are there to get something to eat or to get future or to stay with you like a brother and sisters. The thing hurts because if you are African and your brother, if you see brother is killing brother, it's painful. It's very painful. You see. And the thing that is paining me is we are the brain. We are the people behind your success of independence. We are the people. We, the Africans, we are the brain, the success of your independence. If you don't know. So if we come to your place, you have to take us as your brother and your sister. We don't come there to play. People come there to find their life, to work, to do businesses. South Africa is not a country that is too beautiful that person can go and stay, or they go because of something. Ambitions, future, creation. People are creating. People want to do something in life. If you people are sleeping, people want to do something, to get something. You understand me? So you people have to take it cool there. You people have to take it cool because you are Africans and you are in Africa. You are not in Europe. Don't lie to yourself. Don't lie to yourself that you are half Europe or half this. No. You people are Africans. You people are Africans. And I repeat, those people who are your enemies are with you there in your home. Even one school, they said, even one school, you can't go, a South African black and South African white cannot go school together. And you people are there, you are sleeping on these issues. You people are sleeping on these stupid issues. Those people are killing you people. Not with gun, but with, in spiritual, in physical doing. They are killing you people. Those people are your enemies. Not a West African people. We are the people who worked hard for your independence. If you don't know, I want to repeat it and repeat it and repeat it again for you people, because you people are, how can I say this? You people don't know anything. You are killing your brother because of stupidness and selfishness. Stop. Me particular, I'm warning you people to stop. To stop that stupidness that you people are doing. If you don't stop this stupidness, one day if you get problem, you South African, you people will shit. Nobody, no African person will follow you again, because you people are rubbish. We see that you people are stupid people. You don't reason. You people are not people that reasoning is in your head. I don't know how you people behave. Killing people like they are dogs or animals. An African brother and sister. Why? Why, my dear? Why? Which means even the white people are not racist. If it is like this, the white people are not racist. If South African man will kill because of work or woman, which means, my dear, you people are back again. You people are back. You are not advanced country. Before I thought you people are advanced. You people go far, but you are not advanced. You are not advanced. You people didn't go anywhere. Because your reasonings are amateur reasonings. You are reasoning stupidly. We are warning you people. We are warning you people. We are West African. We know where we come from. But if you people start like this with us, which means another thing is coming. You people want another thing. another thing is coming. Because one day, if the bell, if they knock the bell one day, you people cannot stay where you are. You people cannot stay where you are. You'll be running left and right, front and back, and nobody will receive you. I'm telling you, South Africans, to be warned. You are warned, because people are not animal. To kill person, to kill somebody is not easy. It's not small something to kill somebody. So me, I am warning you people. All these stupid things goes to these our politicians. Goes to these our politicians. Build economy. Try and build our economy. Try anyhow. You people can do it. We have it all. We have it all. Oil, gold, timber, diamond, bauxite, even uranium. We have uranium, even uranium in our countries. Abundance. We have everything. God put everything there for us. But this head, brain, this brain, they don't have it. Every day we'll be running to another people's country, and they will be pursuing us. They will be pursuing us. They will be killing us because of these stupid politicians. I will put it there, because they are not trying at all. They are not trying at all. They are not trying. Try. The word try. They are not trying at all. You people are failing us. Every day, you people are failing us. Why? The politicians, why? Every day, vote for me, vote for me. For what reason people have to vote for you people? For what reason? There. If you come, what could you do? What could you do if you come on power? What could you do? Nothing. You can't do anything. You can't do anything to please anybody. Your selfish interest, every day, your selfish interest. See where we are now. See where we are. See life, where life has brought us. See where life has brought us. They are killing our brothers and sisters in South Africa. That is good for you people. That is nice for you people. You people are enjoying that. You people are enjoying that. The politicians of West Africa, you people are enjoying that. You have to take care, our politicians. You are all the problems. I put all the blames on you. I put all the blames on you. Because you are not doing anything good in that our West Africa. Especially Ghana and Nigeria. Especially Ghana and Nigeria. They have everything. Even some European countries they can't boast on those things. We have it all. And what is our problem? Why a Nigerian person have to suffer? And why Ghanaian have to suffer? We don't have to travel. We don't have to travel to make it. These two countries I mentioned, we don't have to travel and make it. We can stay in our places and make it because we has it all. You understand? This life is not, we think that if we travel and we can make it. If you didn't travel, you can't make it. No, it's not like that. It's not like that at all. Even though you are in Ghana, you can make it better than somebody who is in UK. If you use this one, if you use this head and brain inside the head, you can make it inside your country. We can't go to people's country and those people will be killing us just for hustling matter unnecessarily. I said this video, I'm too nervous. I'm too nervous. The thing pains me because if I see an African country is killing another African country, then but it's rubbish. It's nonsense. Where are we going, Africans? Every day I am on this my channel. I am lecturing people. I'm talking to people. Africa, and you, South Africa, you wake up and kill our brothers and sisters. We can't take it. No, this we can't take it. Because if we wake up, you people will shift. That South Africa, you people will shift. And you people will be South America. You people will shift and you people will be South America, not South Africa. You will be South America. Don't dare West African man. Don't dare us. Because you people are taking too much. And your country, I don't see anything good. I mean, I can't come to South Africa. I don't see anything good there. What am I coming there to do? What am I coming there to do, South Africa? What am I coming there to do? Because you people are not, you are not worth it. We are thinking that you people are, you go far, but no, nothing did there. Your heads are empty. The head, brains are empty. You people can't think far. You see, but I want to make you people remember that those people with you in your country, those people are your enemies, not we. Not we. We are your brothers and sisters. You can't kill your brother, you can't kill your sister. If you start killing your brother and sister, which means you are stupid or you are mad. You take one, South Africans, whether you are stupid or you are mad. Yeah, this is Bata TV. Please, everybody that is watching this, my channel, please, I beg, please subscribe for me and let my channel go far and far and far. Let me go far away. Subscribe for me, like, share. If you see my videos, share, because I speak words of wisdom. Words of wisdom. We don't joke on Butter TV. Butter TV, we speak the reality. Make people feel the reality of this life. That is why we are here every day, to enlighten people, to talk with people. Our politicians, they have to do something. Every day, at the end of the day, see where we are. We are killing each other. You see. So, all thanks to God. All thanks to God that today we are alive. And we pray that our brothers and sisters who they are in South Africa, they will, if you want to come back, you come back in peace. And if you want to stay there too, everything will be all right. Make you people don't worry. We are behind you, and nothing will fall against you people. We are behind you. So if you are watching Butter TV, please try to subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye. Choose.